Welcome back to Whisper Tactical, guys. My name's John, and today, oh my gosh! What's this thing called in the front? That your guide rod. Your guide rod. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Whisper. I can't see shit. This is that's on the ground. That's what that is. This Glock 19 Gen 3 has what is known in it called, did I say that right? Has what is known in it. Oh man, my Kentucky just shined through. It's got a springtime cup in it. A maritime spring cup. It's got a maritime spring cup in it. I'll tell you all about it. Before I tell you about it, Jesus. I woke up on the wrong side of hillbilly this morning. It's a Glock 19 Gen 3. You are absolutely right. Absolutely right. You couldn't be more right. A maritime spring cup is a cup, and it goes in here, all in this area. My hands are, it's sweating. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Whisper Tactical. My name's John, and today I want to go over this little beauty right here. Look at that. It is a Glock 19 Gen 3. But is it special? John, why are you reviewing a Glock 19 Gen 3? It's 2021. We're on like a Generation 7s at this point. Well, you know, I'll get into that. But before we get into this video, guys, I'd appreciate it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload new content. It's got a maritime spring cup in here, right? So what that allows you to do is shoot underwater or immediately exiting the water, because it allows all of the water to drain out of the firing pin channel, so you don't get click no bangs whenever you're in or immediately coming out of water. I love this gun. I missed that one time because my hands are so sweaty. Let me show you. Look how wet, look how sweaty. I mean, I slipped. I usually never miss, because I am a secret stay-at-home operator. I'm a part of the Air SEAL Jump program, and I don't ever miss. Gun, ammo, cantaloupe, right? Ooh. I got water in my ear. It actually went into it, and it went through it, and it went out the back side of the pool. So let's try a couple of shots back to back. Let's let some water get in here. And it works. That's pretty cool. It's going into the dirt under the pool. Pretty good stuff. Another thing that people always say is you can't fire hollow points underwater, or they will be less effective underwater, because the actual hollow point cavity fills up with water and it causes the round to expand before it leaves the barrel. I want to test that out. So, I mean, I don't know how it's going to work. I've never done this, but my water is a little murky, but I am using Winchester 115 grain silver tips. Winchester hollow point. Let's get it in the water here, put my glasses on. I think the bubbles are done. Let's get the watermelon here and see what kind of ballistics we get. All right, now the muzzle's touching the barrel. Now let's go back about a foot. Oh, that's so cool. Now here's where the round went in. Check this out. Here's where the round went in. Here's the back of the watermelon. Isn't that awesome? There's the back of the watermelon. There's the round. So as you can see, it immediately tumbles. The round immediately starts tumbling as a hollow point. But look at the expansion on this round. Holy, look at that. Okay, so now I've got two more loaded up here. Let's get a water jug in here. Let's hit the other one with the watermelon. I'm gonna do I have two more loaded up? Yeah, I got one in the chamber, one here. Let's let it get full of water again, and I'm about a foot away, and I'm gonna do first round into the watermelon, second round into the gallon of water really fast to see if the hollow point actually jams up. Woo! So it went in and out the jug of water. That one ripped the watermelon in half. Let's load up the 124 grains, or the 147s, I mean. Load up the 147s. And it fired them all 100% reliably. They all went out the bottom of the pool. Let's see if I can find them in the dirt here. I was able to recover 11 rounds, guys. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? Let's go ahead and see if we can't get down in here. I wonder if I can make this camera a little better for you guys. Let me see if I can get it a little bit closer. Oh man, I just want to show you this and why I think this is going to make this gun fail. It went in my mouth. It went in my mouth. Oh my God. Oh, hollow points. Oh, that's disgusting. It stings like cow shit. Woo. Yo, it's cycling these pretty good. Look at all that in there. I mean, that's a mess. Look, it's even blowing it out the barrel. Oh God, I stink. It's gritty in my mouth. I got sand in my mouth, is what it feels like. Look at the rails. I mean, this is disgusting, yo. What's crawling on me? I'm absolutely terrified of spiders. So, look down in there. Man, this thing is nasty. Ooh. I mean, it's full of nastiness. See this green stuff on my hands there? All those little pods? It actually has some of those into the chamber. So I can get one out here, reach in there with my fingernail, maybe. No, I just pushed it further in. It's hard to see. Yeah, it's all over the barrel. I mean, it's a mess. It's definitely a mess, but it didn't fail. 27 shots, 10 of them hollow points, and it did not fail. That's impressive. That really is impressive. My hands went stupid there for a second. Whoo, sweet Jesus. So, see what we got. Oh, man. I have missed having a Glock 19. Okay. Guys, this holster that you have seen in like the last videos that I've been putting up for about a month, this holster is a K Tactical holster. They sent it to me. They sell on YouTube. It's like 30 bucks for an awesome Kydex holster. And look, I have worn this thing everywhere for like the last 2 months. I have really burnt this holster up, and it's good stuff. Oh, jigging them up! Haryuken! Aw. If it won't run steel, it don't deserve brass. Ugh. Well, I guess it deserves brass. I wish I could fight like Jean-Claude Van Damme, but be as fast as Steven Seagal. Woo! I'm gonna go load up some more rounds. Be right back. All right, now, this is, that's on the ground. That's what that is. This is 158 grain Fiocchi. 855 feet per second. 850. I don't know where I got the other 5 at, but I love this. God, there's just something about a small package. Maybe it's just that I know how to work a small package really good, but there's just something about this gun I like. All right, let's go. Oh, you can. All right, let's do a little bit of holster work. Yeah, this gun, it actually shoots really, really nice. Let me see if I can let you get some trigger work here. See if I can get you some time behind the trigger. Get you some time behind the trigger. I'm tired of shooting now. I'm ready to go home because I want to hang out with my monster girl for the rest of the evening. So I don't want to beat a dead horse. It's a Glock 19 Gen 3. It's just as simple as that. I don't need to shoot it anymore. It's beautiful. And I've missed having a Glock 19. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed all of that fun stuff. Shooting this gun underwater was just, I had a good time. I had a lot of fun doing it. I love you all. Thank you all so much. I'm coming up on the end of my first year as a content creator, and I have to say I almost hit my goal. They said to set a goal that you could, you know, that was within reason. So my 1 year goal was 10,000 subscribers. That's what I wanted. And honestly, my goal was just to get monetized. In the first year, hopefully I'd get monetized. And I did that. I did that in a couple of months. And it was really exciting. But my main goal was to hopefully hit 10K subs in 1 year. I think I'm at like 8,400. I've got 10 days left before my 1 year's up, so I need 16 more hundred. I don't think that's gonna happen, but if it does, hey, thank you all, man. I swear, it's really, it's incredible that I've actually done this and stuck with it and actually had fun and enjoyed it enough to stay with it. Like, I enjoy this, and I want to thank each and every single one of you all for jumping on the bandwagon and riding on this journey with me. I mean, it's the best way I can say it. I really appreciate it. I appreciate each and every single one of you all.